Today we are going to make a floating object in water like using Blender. Let's start. So the first thing will be you will be downloading the Blender, the latest version. All the link I will be keeping in the description. So after that you will be going to the Mixamo website. Like in the Mixamo website you will get the characters and animations free. So you will create an account, so you can select the characters and animations as your choice. So like there are like more than 96 characters available. Once you selected the character, you will search for the animation. I just selected swim and download the .fbx. So the next thing will be like importing this object into the Blender. So open the Blender, scale the cube along the x and y axis. Then once you have done that, go to the mesh and add the another cube and arrange it above the center line. Then we will arrange the inner cube also. So like I'm increasing the width little more for inner cube. Then go to mesh and add UV sphere. And like I'm adjusting the inner cube again. I think this is fine. Now it's perfect. We will go to the physics properties and fluid and select domain and select the liquid. Then resolution, keep resolution as 32 only. Now don't forget to select the mesh option. So now we are doing in the domain, like outer cube we are doing all these changes. So this is fine. And in cache, in type you make it all and leave it there. Then select the inner cube, fluid, then type as flow, and flow type will be liquid. Leave it as it. Same we will do for the sphere also, UV sphere also. Then import the model whichever we downloaded from the Mixamo website. Like select the FBX model. Once you selected that, just click on import FBX. It will get imported. After that you will be scaling up the model. Rotation, we will keep it in x-axis only because our camera will be facing the same like in x-axis. So now we will move it little bit down, like that. Okay, this is fine. Now I will be copying the keyframes of the animations. By default it will be there, so you will right click and copy, and you will move the blue line to the last of that keyframe. We will do this process multiple times so that we will be getting a continuous loop. This is fine. Now I will go to the wireframe mode, then mesh, add a plane, like move the plane, scale it, then move like touching the water surface like that. Now go to edit mode and like subdivide it. I will keep it as 30. This is fine. The edit mode only, go to the modifier and select the shrink wrap. Then like select the target as cube 001. 001 means our like domain only, the outer cube. So now you can see when the water is like moving, the plane also like moving as per the motion only. You can see that. This is fine. Now we will duplicate the sphere, UV sphere. I think one more UV sphere, if it's falling down, means it will be better actually. Go to the physics property of the outer cube, then click on bake all. So it got baked now. Now if you press on play, you can see the fluid motion is increased actually. This is fine actually. You can see that now it's look better. Like our plane is moving over the water, like that our object also we need to make it float properly. So we'll select the object and we'll go to the object constraint, add object constraint. We'll add a copy location, then select the plane. You can see it. Now vertex group also we need to add. I forgot to add the vertex group, so I will select the plane, go to the edit mode, click on add add vertex group. Yeah, you can then click on assign. Yeah, now go to the object mode, back to object mode, then select the object, then assign the vertex group there. Now you can adjust the influence, or you can adjust the offset of the like the plane. Now you will select the model, and you will adjust the influence. Actually, while adjusting the influence, the object is like coming closer to the water level. Yeah, you can click on offset also in the add object constraint. Yeah, now I think it's almost proper, but I need to revert back the offset of the plane. Actually, the previously I have done, so I think I should make it as 0, then it will work properly. Yeah, let's add select the water inner cube and put apply a shade smooth, so it will be much smoother actually. Yeah, now I am adjusting the influence a little more. Then yeah, now I think it's almost proper. Yeah, this is fine actually. Yeah, now I'll go to the shading tab. Yeah, here we will add an HDR actually. Select the environment texture, then open, click on open, and select the HDR actually. Yeah, .hdr file will be there. So this one is I previously downloaded. This link also I will be keeping in the description. Yeah, so once you added that, it will look like this, but I don't want that background houses and all. Yeah, now I can increase the strength or decrease the strength. I prefer to decrease the strength actually of this HDR, so it look cooler. Now we will adjust the camera. Go to view and select camera to view, so you can scale or move the camera. Yeah, this is a good option actually. It's much easier actually. Yeah, so you can see this. I think yeah, this is fine. This view is fine. Okay, now let's make the select the color space of that HDR as RGB. Now click on the inner cube and add a new material. So what I'm going to do, I will increase the metallic to the maximum and change the color. I will change the base color the pink. Yeah, this is fine. Then maximize the transmission, then roughness you make it as 0. Yeah, now you will get a shining property for this material. Yeah, now select the light. Yeah, now I will choose the area light and move the light little bit upper over the model, over that our object. Yeah, and I need to increase the power, and I will change the color also, color of the light to blue. Yeah, now I will increase the power to 5000. Yeah, so you can see that change. If you go to the camera view, you will see this. Now I will select the outer cube. Yeah, then change the base color to darker. I don't want to make see it visible actually, so I will make it as metallic and remove the make the reference as 0. So it's look good now actually, so it's not visible, the outer one. Yeah, I'm moving everything a little bit upper, and now I need to add more shining property now. So select your model, go to the shading tab of that, and we will increase the strength of the emission actually. So you can see on the head the emission. If you increase the strength of the emission, the shining property will increase here. Yeah, so now we will increase the strength of the world actually. Yeah. Not much because the background noise is coming, so yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, I'm trying different combinations actually, which one will be the better, so you can also try it out. I'm choosing the blue only, dark blue. Yeah, now you can see still I don't want to see this tree and all, so we have an option to do that. Try to render the image. Now we will remove that background, trees, houses and all. Like go to the world mode in the shading tab and Control T. Just press Control T. Make sure the node wrangler is selected in your add-ons. And now you can see I can move the HDR in x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So I think if I move it in x-axis, z-axis, it will be better actually. Making x and y 0, then z-axis you can see. Yeah, okay, like shining stars are there. Yeah, this looks fine actually. Yeah, so just try it out in UV, normal and generated and all. Yeah, which looks better, just choose that one. Yeah, so almost we are done. Yeah, I'm just trying like different options actually. I'm also new to Blender. Okay, now make sure that ambient, bloom, depth of field and screen space reflection, you can see the reflection is come now once you tick that. And select the camera, try to increase or decrease the focal length, which looks better, choose that one. Then select the depth of field, don't forget to do that. Then focus on object, select your model actually. Then you can see this, now it's really better actually once you decrease it. Yeah, it's cool now, it's looking cool, right? Yeah, I think we are almost done now. Just go to the compositing tab and click on use nodes. Like once you render the image, then only you should go to this tab actually. So you can see it here, just in control shift A, select glare, then try the different combinations there actually. Like select the fog glow, this combination is fine. You can render it and you can see now it's a little more better now, quality got improved. Now we will go to the render setting, choose the EV only, render engine will be EV only. Then in preferences, make sure it's linear. Animation, under animation tab it's linear. Go to the render settings and choose the resolution whichever you required, and in the output under that file format FFmpeg video you will select, and in encoding you will select MP4 actually. Yeah, and make it as high quality, output quality should be high. Yeah, now you can render the animation. Yeah. It will take some time to render the animation, and in EV it will be much faster actually. You can see it, it's rendering. Yeah, and that code rendered. Let's play it, how it's look. Yeah, I'm just playing that now. You can see, oh, it's cooler, right? Just try it out, guys, and please like, subscribe for more videos. See you soon.